Watch shitty people. We track you down. If you watch this, we will track you down and get you. And then you get your hands chopped off, so you can't throw rubbish out of the window anymore. We are starting our morning with a fresh 99% charged battery. That's probably all I need. Wait, no, I have an appointment after work to deliver this laptop back in Lately. So I need to go from here to Gatton, then to Lately, and then back home. That's a stretch. And I cannot recharge at work. The club is open, but I won't be in the area this afternoon to plug in the car. But before I go to work, I have to do something. Rubbish on both sides of the road again. Fast food boxes, plastic bottles, straws, everything kind of rubbish here. Some pigs here in this area throwing their whole fast food shit out of the window here in this corner. So I'm using SnapSend Solve app on the mobile phone, taking photos using GPS location for the littering and sending this off to the appropriate council. It is a bit chilly this morning inside the car here, but I cannot afford to turn on the heating at all. I need every single milliampere hour to drive this whole trip in full EV. And again, I'm glad we've got the construction site here. Driving 80 kilometers only at the Gatton overpass. World famous overpass. What's the reading? 5.8 ampere hours in winter time. So that is pretty low actually. That is pretty low. That's about 1 ampere hour. Yeah, 1 ampere hour lower than usually in winter. I managed to get 5.5 in summertime, but in winter time it's a little bit more. There you go, you get a smiley. 75% state of charge, 28.5 ampere hours. I was hoping I can arrive here with less than 10 ampere hours used, maybe 9.5. Okay, let's see. I'll be back at lunch break with some news for you. I have forgotten to turn off the car. It's so quiet. And welcome to the Unplugged EV lunch break. And today with a special episode. Well, as I told you yesterday, people are taking this whole situation now in their own hands. They're buying M.U.T devices. They're trying to figure out how to do resets. And I just want to show you something here. A couple of screenshots I took from this morning. People actually have very good success in doing battery resets, DB cams, and all these kind of procedures now at home. Just an example here. Yeah. Successful DB cam and reset back to 40 ampere hours. Here's another one. This one was a muck up down here and then he got it right, 40 ampere hours, all good. Here another example from 30.5 ampere hours back to 39.9 ampere hours. And here this guy has used the And this guy here has used the EV Batmon app, and you can see 39.9 ampere hours after successful procedures. And all of these procedures have been done at home. So nobody of these guys went to a dealership actually. And as I said, some of them have already M.U.T devices, some of them know someone who's got a M.U.T device, someone know someone at the dealership. And because the procedures are out there, I know there are a lot of people working on manuals now to give us all access to the simple step-by-step procedures we can follow to reset our batteries to get the full capacity back. I'm in the process of setting up like a closed forum where all these developers, all these technicians, these self-taught technicians can come together and share their experience how to do these procedures correctly at home with a M.U.T device, with Lexia devices, with no device at all. Yeah, and one email reached me a couple of days ago from someone who actually did the reset at home without any other devices. There is a way to reset your battery just by yourself without using any devices, without plugging anything into the OBD port. So all these people we are trying to get together now because they're all working towards the same goal, and we're trying to combine all their knowledge and efforts and experience into one forum now, and then get this all right. So we have something to show the public later on and say, look, if you have trouble and the dealer doesn't want to play, here's the procedure. Just do this or this or this, and you will achieve these and these outcomes with it. So I'm very excited about this whole development now. I was just speaking to Slova this morning from the EV Fun channel on YouTube, but he has traveled 3,000 kilometers with his car now and has only one drop so far, 0.1 ampere hour down. It's a 160,000 kilometer vehicle he has. So this all looks very promising, and I'm sure we will have a homebrew solution coming up very soon. In the next couple of weeks, months, there will be something what you can actually do at home to resolve this problem. Yeah, it is just a matter of time now until we figure this all out, until this is all tested, confirmed and working. Well, and this is exactly what you get when you don't provide customer service. Customers go elsewhere, they're trying to solve it themselves, and because we are all humans, we are just able to resolve these technical problems ourselves. We know enough now about the battery, about the code, about the BMU to resolve this whole thing by ourselves without the help of Mitsubishi. This leaves the question open again, which I asked you yesterday, about the actual warranty on the battery on the car. Does it affect the warranty if you do that? Well, you have to answer this yourself. Maybe we've got some legal people here, some lawyers, some solicitors, which can help us answering these questions as well. All right, I'll enjoy my lunch break now, and we see us later for the trip. 1.1 ampere hour gain. 1.1 ampere hour gain. Okay, I'll program the destination in there and my home destination, so it gives us an indicator of how we have to drive to make it a full electric. Okay, 33 kilometers. It says we've got 31 in here. Okay, and there will be a lot of traffic now, so I can't really drive too slow. I can't even get out of here of the car park because there are so many cars coming. Yes, it looks like it's going to happen, really. Well, if Mitsubishi is not willing to help, not keen to assist their customers, it's just the nature to find a solution ourselves. The 2016 map shows its age now. It always wants me to turn around here instead of going ahead, going straight. So So I'm not sure what's going on here. It wants me to go here through this bushland. I don't know if this is a good idea. And then it recalculates and say, yep, all good, all good. Okay, now we've got the 20 kilometers to drive and 19 kilometers in the battery. Drive a little bit slower. Just driving 80 here. That is fast enough. Beautiful evening again. Look at this color of this sky. We're getting another cold night. About 7-8 degrees. We are in Lately, almost, very close, and we've got 14-15 kilometers, but yeah, we should arrive at the customer side. There we go, 14-14 now. It's only about 500-600 meters now to the customer, and then we can go home afterwards. It shouldn't take long. Oh, look at this nice sunset here, huh? What a view. Winter sky in Australia. That's how it looks like. Well, I'm still in a shirt and the heating is not running, so we've got 18 degrees outside in winter. It is so crazy. Oh, look at this. They even have the Christmas decoration up. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, why would you take it down, right? In December it's 45 degrees here, and you put all your Christmas decoration up, and then in winter time it's actually cold, as it's supposed to be during Christmas time, so you leave the decoration on and have it lit up every night. Oh, I've forgotten to start the dog. Resume. We're still on 5 kilometers left and 5 kilometers to travel, 4.8 kilometers. I'm confident I can make it. Oh, we are back home. Made it over the hill. 30.4%. 11.6 ampere hours. Yeah, I didn't drive too slow actually, so it was quite. We have enough energy. Yeah, guys. Okay, no problem at all today. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for. Okay, guys. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. This is Andy from Unplugged TV. Ah, you want to see the trip card? Okay. 46.1 kilometers all in total. Just made it. Maybe 47 kilometers in the tank. If I drive slowly, very slowly, I can potentially do 50 kilometers. But you know, it's 100 kilometer zones and a lot of faster roads. 46 kilometers per hour in average. Elevation in there. See, I can only 10% of the time I can only glide. It's more you need to keep going to keep the car on the speed. You can't coast on a highway. Not on a flat road. It's just impossible. Yeah, and see the average, absolutely 20 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. This is what the car uses on higher speeds. But no fuel, nothing, zero. Excellent. So the motor stays on 22 degrees only. Excellent, guys. Okay, so far this video from today. Let me know if you are keen to get these manuals later on once everything is developed and tested and done. Maybe you even got a M.U.T device and want to take part in this whole group. Send me an email and let me know. Okay, guys, so far, thanks for watching again. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia, signing off finally. And we will see us again in the next video very soon. Stay charged. Bye bye.